Good morning children. In our today's assignment, the first question is, what is meant by a melting point of ice? The constant temperature at which ice melts is called melting point of ice. Melting point of ice. So the melting point of ice is constant temperature for a melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Okay? And the second question is, define a boiling point. So here also the constant temperature at which water boils is called boiling point of water. So here the boiling point of water constant temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. So if it exceeds that temperature, then the water will starts to evaporate. And the third question is, why we use umbrella in a hot day during summer? In a hot day during summer. So the third answer is first one, to prevent from sun rays coming from the sun. To prevent us from sun rays, to prevent us from sun rays coming by sun. And the UV rays are very harmful too. Very harmful. Harmful to human beings and other living beings. So due to that reason we will use umbrella in a hot day during summer. The fourth question is, do you find any difference in temperature of air in shadow or in the sun? Yes, definitely. Air temperature is always read in the shade or shadow because the sun radiation does not affect the temperature. Does not affect the temperature reading. So always air temperature is always read in case of shadow only, not in case of in the sun. So in the shadow or shade, because the sun radiation does not affect the temperature reading. And at the same time, thermometers also if the wind changes how people perceive temperature. Okay, thermometers are also not affected by the wind blowing on them. Even if the wind changes how people perceive temperature. Okay. And the fifth question is, in this fifth question, the given data is, the first one, we just want to take a beaker full of water, and second one, a beaker full of soil, or sand, and the third one, a closed bottle containing a thermometer Now keep them in bright sunlight for 3 hours. Now keep them in bright light in 3 hours, sunlight in 3 hours. Now measure the temperature of all 3 vessels. Also take the temperature reading in shade at the same time. We just want to take the temperature readings of 3 vessels at the same time, and also take the temperature reading in the shadow at the same time. Now answer the following questions. The first question is, now I am giving the answer. The first question is the temperature reading in activity 1 and activity 2. Is the temperature reading more in activity 1 or in activity 2? So the first question is the temperature reading in the first question and the second question, which one is shows the more temperature? So our answer is soil or sand gets more temperature compared to water. Okay, so in this the answer is temperature reading in activity 1 is more, activity 2 is more than the activity 1. Okay, now the second question is, based on the above activity, which would become hot faster, the land or the sea? Here compared to this, which one gets the hot fastly? Based on the above activity, we will conclude that the land becomes more faster than sea. More faster than sea. And the third answer, the question is the thermometer reading of the temperature of air the same as the temperature of sand or water? Why do we think is the reason for this, and why does the temperature have to be measured in the shade? Okay, here already in the previous fourth question I give a clarification. Air in the temperature or temperature of a air is measured in the case of shade or shadow. Okay, is the case of shade or shadow, because the sun radiation does not affect the temperature. Okay, and at the same time thermometer, in case of thermometer also we concluded it. Okay,